Hello together. In that video clip we will show you how to adjust the individual anterior guidance and how to handle it when you want to change the standard one to the individual one. First you have to check the centric pin that it's in a 0 position. For that you can open the screw and put it to 0 position. Then you take out the standard centric pin and you put in the individual centric pin to the very end position. Screw the screw, then you take out the flat table, the standard table, and put in the anterior table to the final and end position. What you now need is the calibration key for calibrating your articulators. You will put it in the articulator and close the articulator. Make sure now that you have contact with your centric pin on the table. If not, you have to open 2 small Allen screws on the behind side of this centric pin, and after that you can lift up and down the pin and put it in a 0 position to contact on the anterior table. After adjusting that, you have the really 0 position of the pin. Now we have to put this table in a very special position. Therefore we take out the calibration key and we lift off the tables, the wings of this table a little bit around 30 degrees up, and we place a small metal cylinder on the table. The tilted wings will help you that you will not drop out this metal cylinder. You see that this cylinder moves a little bit, and what we now have to do, we want to bring the cylinder and the centric pin in contact to each other. Therefore we open the Allen screws on the top of the pin side. Now you see we can move that pin, and now we put our finger gently on the tip of this pin and push it to the metal cylinder. After that we first screw the Allen screws gently, check again, and then we fix it more and more till they are tightened enough. Take out the cylinder and put the wings now in the 0 position back. Now when we want to check the tilting of the table, we see that the upper part of the articulator will stand still. If we tilt the wings, the same procedure, the upper part of the articulator is perfect in a stable position. Now if you have made a mistake, you can control that. Let's show which will be a mistake in adjusting. You see when we tilt the table now and we have drawn the table a little more forward, the upper part of the articulator will move. Now sometimes it's necessary to put that table more forward, especially then when you have oversized models, when you have too less distance between the table. Then you open the lower screw and you pull the table a little more forward. After that you open the upper screw, pull it again a little forward, and after that you tilt again the wings a little more upside, place the metal cylinder again in the table, and now you open the lower screw again, you get in touch with the cylinder to the centric pin, and after that you close the lower screw again. And now check, tilt the table again, and you see we have succeeded. No movement of the upper part of the articulator. That was, in short words, our articulator calibration with the anterior guidance, and as you see we even can lower or upper our bite situation and will not leave the position of the pin in the table. Thank you for watching.